Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I got in my Fabfitfun Fall 2025 box. And if you don't know what Fabfitfun is a lifestyle subscription where you can get 6 products per season from top brands across beauty, fashion, wellness, home, skincare, and more. And I love that I get to choose all the exact products that I get in each box to make it fit my lifestyle. And as a Fabfitfun member, I get access to amazing flash sales from brands like Elemis, Amika, First Day Beauty, and so much more for up to 70% off. And the average member saves $500 in their first season. And if you use my code amandamonroee, you can get a free gift valued over $200 with a new annual membership. But if you want to sign up as a seasonal member, you can use my code amandamonroee to get 20% off your first box. And what's really nice is each box is valued up to $350, and when you use my code, your first box is only $63.99. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see everything that I got. Alright, so let's open her up for our Fall 2025 box. Oh my gosh, this is already so cute. And here's what my box is looking like. So the first thing that I got in my box is this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This one was a no-brainer for me, honestly, because I love Elemis skincare products. And this product retails for $98. So I was like, absolutely, I want to try this. So I was super excited to get this product. The next thing I chose was the Amika Soul Food hair mask, and this product was another no-brainer for me. I love Amika hair products. I use them all the time, especially their masks. I'm currently using the hydration one, like the dark blue hydration one. So when I saw that they had this nourishing mask, I was super excited to try. I want to try out more of their products and see which one I prefer. So I was really excited to try this one, and this product retails for $36. Okay, the next thing I was interested in trying is this Nutrafol skin supplement. So I've heard of the Nutrafol brand, and I think this is new where they have some skin supplements. And for this product choice, I had a tough time choosing because you could either get like some Elemis resurfacing pads or try this one. And regardless, I knew I wanted to get a skin product, and I was like, you know what, let me try a skin supplement. So I was very intrigued. So here is the bottle, and it is a really nice bottle. It's like glass, so it's super nice. It already feels high quality. So I'm very interested to try and see if I really like this product, because if I end up like loving this 1 month supply, I'm sure I'll probably like repurchase. So I'm very excited to try this, especially with skincare. A lot of it starts from within. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that product. And this product retails for $88. Okay, the next thing I was super excited to try was this product from Rare Beauty. So it's actually a hydrating hand cream, and for this choice it was such a hard decision for me because there was a couple other things that I was interested in. So for this product selection, you could either get a Bondi Boost hair protectant or a face mask, and I ultimately went with this one because I was doing some research on the way that this product is created, and it's like turned into like a hand massager. I was like, that is so nice. Well, first of all, this is like such cute packaging, and especially since we're entering those colder months, having a hand cream is going to be so nice to keep in my handbag. You want to have some soft hands, especially if it's gonna get cold. So you just put some of that product on there, and this is like supposed to be made as like a hand massager. So after like using the hand cream, you can use it as a hand massager. So I thought that was like a really cool product design. So I wanted to try it, and I just like love the color too. It's like a pretty little mauve color. So I'm excited to just like keep this in my handbag all fall long, and it smells really nice too. So I love Rare Beauty, so I'm excited to have this product. Product retails for $18. The next thing I got is this Kerasilk hair oil, and this year I wanted to really prioritize my hair because I have a lot of hair. And I was like, you know what, because I have so much of it, I really need to make sure I'm taking all the steps to protect it. So I made sure I was using hair masks, hair oils, some really good shampoo and conditioner, scalp serums, all these types of things. And I do love a hair oil, so I definitely wanted to try this hair oil from Kerasilk. And this is the bottle too. It's such a really nice bottle, and I was excited to just try a new product. It says like it's also a multi-benefit hair oil, which is great. So I'm excited to add this into my hair care routine. Hair oils have been just such a game changer for my hair, and I love the way they make my hair look and feel. So I'm super excited to try this one out. And this product retails for $28. The next thing I wanted to try was this Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Brow lamination. So looking into this, it seemed very intriguing. I thought it was so cool. I was looking up some people using this and it looked really nice. I remember trying to decide which product to get for this choice. You were able to get like an eye brightener or a travel jewelry bag. I ended up going with this one because it very much intrigued me. So it's supposed to be like a brow laminator, and I recently have been getting into making sure I'm using a brow gel. I used to never use brow gels, and this year I started using Rare Beauty brow gel, and it's been a game changer. So I was actually so excited to try this product because based off the bristles and the brush, it's supposed to give you like a laminated brow look, especially because it has those two different types of bristles. So when you apply it, it makes you look like you got your brows laminated. I was very intrigued by this product, and I'm very excited to try this one out. And this product retails for $26. And last but not least, I decided to go with these Steve Madden glasses. So I love having sunglasses, and when I saw these ones, I was like, you know what, those look so cool and very chic. So I wanted to try these ones out. Here's what they look like. I thought these would just be so fun for the fall. I love the gold on them too. So here's how they look on. I think they're so cute and like chic. I love them. So these sunglasses retail for $48. Yeah, they're so cute, and they have UV protection, which is so important. So I love those, and I also really like the bag that they come in, just this cute little leather case. I think it's so adorable. And that's everything that I got in my fall 2025 Fabfitfun box. Like I said, if you're interested, be sure to use my codes. I'll have them linked down below if you either want to get an annual box or seasonal box to try out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.